Hello, and in this episode of Pursuing Travel with the Millers, we're going to head to the Hilton Universal City, which is about as close as you get to Universal Studios Hollywood hotel wise. It is a mainline Hilton hotel that's a very quick, like about maybe 10-minute walk to the Universal Studios Hollywood entrance. And you'll see that, it has a nice, large lobby area. Plenty of seating if you're waiting there, and nicely decorated. It has a cafe, and you can see there that's actually where you get your breakfast. And as a Diamond member, I was able to get free breakfast while there. You have your room credit basically, and then you have a bar area that's also in kind of a separate large lobby. And speaking of breakfast, it's a very nice buffet breakfast that includes a short order cook, hot items, and all kinds of other dishes. The buffet also had plenty of interesting items like sushi, different Mexican dishes, and also bao, which is kind of like a Chinese dumpling. So there are also plenty of outdoor space, like if you're looking to hold a group meeting. We saw like there was a conference going on while we were there, and people were having cocktail hours out here in this kind of relaxing setting in the beautiful California weather. There's the Five on the Hill, which is a nice restaurant. And then you have the pool area that once again you can enjoy the nice views of the Hollywood Hills and the pool. So let's head on and do a room tour. We're going to take a look at the room that we stayed in, which was room 759, and is a double queen bed room. So 2 queen beds in the room. So we found that, the Hilton has a very nice restroom, elegant shower, plenty of space in the room. It came with like the normal amenities like a safe, a mini fridge, nice TV. The AC worked just fine, and we had some really nice views of the surrounding area through multiple large windows. So you can see all the lobby area that's pretty expansive. That's all the windows down there. And over there on the side, that is actually the kids zone of Universal Studios Hollywood. So it's a very short walk to get over there. And you also have another partner property, the Sheraton, next door. But yeah, it's a very, very nice hotel and super convenient. And you also have beautiful views like this sunset view that we got of the Burbank area, because Burbank is out in the distance. And of course the mountains and hills that surround the Los Angeles area. This is a great hotel to stay at if you're wanting to go to Universal Studios and it's a partner hotel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and contact us if you're interested in booking your Universal trip.